Welcome to the Trellix Spotlight series. My name is Nick, and I will be your host. Today's session will focus on comprehensive structured data protection with Trellix database security. This webinar will be recorded. If you prefer not to participate in the recorded session, please feel free to disconnect at this time. A link to today's recorded presentation will be emailed to all registered attendees. This webinar is a brief overview covering common use cases and scenarios regarding this topic. It is not intended to be all-encompassing. If assistance is needed, please contact Trellix Technical Support. If you have questions during the webinar, please type them in the Q&A window. This webinar may run longer or shorter based on your participation, and we recommend asking as many questions as you can to make the most of this series. If the Q&A window is not displayed, click the tab at the bottom of your session window and click on the Q&A icon. We will answer the questions during the final section of this webinar. If you experience any audio issues during the webcast, please drop and attempt to reconnect. Our first speaker today is Gaurav Mehta. Gaurav is a product manager for database security at Trellix. His career began with a strong technical foundation as a software engineer in the telecommunications industry before transitioning into product management. Over the years, he has led product initiatives in the demanding fintech sector, developing financial platforms for a diverse range of clients, from large enterprises to small and medium-sized businesses. This deep experience with highly sensitive data across different business scales provides a unique customer-centric perspective on the paramount importance of robust database security. Our second speaker is Leon Matheson. Leon is a senior solutions engineer at Trellix and has been with the company for the past 8 years. Leon has an in-depth knowledge in the data security field and is a data security field expert for Trellix customers and partners. Leon is also involved in various data security initiatives for Trellix. Leon has a Bachelor of Science degree in informatics. Prior to joining Trellix, he was working at ICT Partners on various cybersecurity technologies and products. Ladies and gentlemen, Gaurav and Leon.
Hello everyone. Thanks for joining the Trellix Spotlight webinar. Today we'll be discussing our strategy towards database security in increasingly complex and distributed data landscape. The core challenge for any security team today is maintaining visibility and control over critical data assets, regardless of whether they reside. To address this, our Trellix database security solution is built upon 3 foundational pillars. These pillars represent a comprehensive strategy for protection. First, unified monitoring and proactive protection. This is about establishing a centralized real-time view of all database activities by leveraging over 700 plus pre-built rules and virtual patching. We move beyond simple detection to proactively protecting your data from known threats and anomalous behaviors. Second, vulnerability and compliance management. A robust security posture is not just about blocking external threats, it's about reducing the internal attack surface. Our solution enables you to systematically scan for, prioritize, and manage database vulnerabilities. And this pillar also automates the evidence gathering and reporting required for regulatory compliance and significantly reducing the manual effort for your team. Third, actionable and insightful reporting. Data without context is just noise. So this pillar ensures that the data gathered from your databases is translated into a clear and actionable reports, allowing you to make informed decisions and effectively communicate your security posture to your stakeholders. These 3 pillars form the foundation of how we secure your critical data. Now that we have established our foundational approach for database security, let's talk about how we apply it to the reality of modern IT environments. We know that most organization, the future isn't exclusively on-prem or exclusively in cloud. It's a hybrid approach. The core challenge becomes maintaining consistent visibility and control as you operate across both. So our strategy is to provide a unified security platform that bridges that gap. And as a major step in delivering that vision, I'm excited to announce our expanded cloud native support. This is now available. We now provide enterprise grade controls you need for Amazon RDS databases, ensuring you can securely extend your operations into the cloud and meet compliance obligations, all while maintaining your on-prem footprint. This is our first major step to full cloud native support. We are currently supporting Amazon RDS running on MySQL, MariaDB, and Postgres. Critically, this is not just a port of our existing technology. This means you no longer need to separate security controls for different parts of your environments. You can gain visibility and control across your entire hybrid environments. You can ensure security that scales and adopts new cloud services and confidently mitigate operational risk with a single cohesive strategy. This is central to our commitment to secure your data wherever it lives. We are actively expanding this support to include other databases in RDS as well as Azure SQL and Cloud SQL in future, further strengthening our unified platform for hybrid enterprise. So we have covered the foundational strategy for monitoring and protection and how we extend that consistently across hybrid environments. The next logical step is to bring all the valuable data generated by these systems together. After all, effective security operations depends on being able to quickly search, visualize, and understand security events. The Analytics Hub is designed to be your central platform for analysis and investigation. Specifically, it takes the alerts from our real-time monitoring and data from vulnerability assessment scans and ingest them into a high-performance analytics engine. Let's take a look at the core features and benefits. So it provides you with a complete visibility through better visualization. The hub transforms raw data and vulnerability data into a series of clear, customizable widgets and dashboards, as you can see in the screenshot mentioned. This provides a much richer visualization of your security posture, allowing you to spot trends, identify hotspots at a glance. It also gives you a faster analysis with Power Search. At its core, Analytics Hub is powered by Elasticsearch. This provides your security team with a fast, flexible, powerful search capabilities. Your analyst can instantly query, filter, drill down into security events, and dramatically speeding up investigations compared to passing raw logs. It gives you a more informed security posture. By correlating active alerts and potential vulnerabilities at one place, you get a more holistic view of your data at risk. This allows you for a better prioritization and remediation efforts and make more informed decisions. It also reduces operational overheads. So by centralizing this data and providing intuitive tools to explore it, Analytics Hub streamlines the process of incident investigation and reporting, freeing up your security experts for more strategic tasks. By rebranding Analytics Hub, we are renewing our commitment to providing a powerful, centralized analytics interface, and we encourage you to leverage its search and visualization capabilities. By rebranding to Analytics Hub, we are renewing our commitment to providing a powerful centralized analytics interface. We encourage you to leverage its search and visualization capabilities to get more value from Trellix database security data. To that end, we want to formally reintroduce a powerful component of our security platform. Many of you may already be familiar with this capability under its former name, Insights. Today, as part of its integration into Trellix ecosystem, we are relaunching and rebranding it as Analytics Hub. This will be coming soon, and you will be notified with a SNS notification on Analytics Hub as well, as you do get notifications for database security updates as well. So now let's take a closer look at the core capabilities of Analytics Hub, what they mean for your daily operations. I want to focus on three key areas: how we help you visualize data, how we identify risk, and how we enable reporting. First, let's talk about visualization. The power of Analytics Hub lies in its interactive, widget based dashboards. This isn't just about showing you a list of events. We allow you to visualize, explore your security data from multiple angles. For example, you can instantly see a breakdown of SQL command types being executed, filter all your alerts by severity or a specific rule name that would trigger, and identify which applications are causing high severity alerts. The dashboard also makes it easy to pinpoint which databases are generating the most alerts and which users are associated with those activities. This level of visualization helps you move from seeing data to understanding it. Second, we focus on correlation of alerts to find at-risk databases. A long list of alerts can be overwhelming. The critical question is, where should I focus my attention right now? Analytics Hub helps you answer this by correlating different alert activities and patterns. By analyzing this data, it helps you identify which specific databases are currently your most at-risk assets, allowing you to prioritize your resources and adopt a more proactive security posture. Finally, once you have this visibility and have identified your key risk area, you need to be able to act on it and communicate it. This brings us to our third capability, detailed reporting. Analytics Hub provides flexible reporting options for both real-time alerts and findings from your vulnerability assessments. Whether you need a comprehensive report for an audit, a high-level summary for management, or a detailed data for your technical team, you can easily generate and export the information you need. In summary, Analytics Hub is designed to provide you with in- intuitive visualization, intelligent risk correlation, and flexible reporting, all from a single unified platform. Now, let's hand it over to Leon for the demo of both of these features. Thank you.
In this short demo, we will discover how Trellix Cybersecurity now extends its industry-leading protection to AWS managed instances of MariaDB, MySQL, and PostgreSQL, maintaining that enterprise-grade security across both hybrid and cloud environments, with the features you expect from data activity monitoring to event management. With the ability to monitor activities on these databases, we can now create custom rules specific to these AWS managed instances, as you can see in this custom rule example. We can also apply the relevant vPatch rules to the AWS managed instances as well. If this rules are triggered, we'll be able to see the incident in the alerts section of Trellix Cybersecurity. Here's an example, a full detailed view on the custom rule that was triggered. To provide you the user, the session ID, the exact time and date, as well as the specific statement that was executed that triggered the rule, as well as the rule that was triggered. The same will apply to vPatch rules. If you look at this failed login example, we'll be able to see that the statement was a failed login attempt, the rule that was triggered, as well as the user and more details around time and date, application, etc. In this demo, we will have a sneak peek at the future, and you'll be among the first to see the updated Trellix Database Security Analytics Hub. As I click through the console, you'll see how this updated reporting module offers deeper insights and more intuitive visualizations to support proactive threat management and compliance reporting. As you log into the console, you'll be greeted by the events dashboard. This is fully customizable, and you can either add or remove widgets, as well as filter by date range, change the view, drill into specific events, and view the full details of the event. From here you can also add workflow items. For example, I'm going to close this item, assign it to admin, and I can also use some of these objects to either create a new reporting query or add to the existing reporting query. In the findings dashboard, we'll have full visibility of all our compliance scans. Again, you can add remove widgets, filter by date range, and drill down into specific events. The Database Security Analytics Hub also comes with very detailed reports, which you can create in various different formats. Which is quite interesting in this reporting format is you can do an estimate to see how many events this report will generate. Going into the analytics side of things, we'll have visibility on database risk. For example, the risk score is 26 in this database, which is low, but 100, but will also show you the full details of how it calculated the risk. For example, our severity findings, the access distribution, as well as if there's any sensitive data residing in any of the tables. From here, you can go into detail to look at the specific findings. Lastly, you can also do role-based access management, create different users of different roles, even integrate into LDAP directory.
Thanks, Gaurav and Leon. As a reminder for everyone, Trellix Education Services offers exceptional training to go along with our award-winning products. If you would like to learn more, please visit the website listed on your screen to see all of our offerings. Now let's get our Q&A session started. I see we have several questions, but it's not too late to add your question. Please type it in the Q&A window to submit. Additionally, take a moment to fill out the survey. Your feedback and suggestions are always appreciated. Can you describe some of the capabilities database security will have in relation to Amazon RDS?
Sure, Nit. Thank you for the question. So currently, we are offering database activity monitoring for AWS databases, which deliver extensive visibility and protection against unauthorized access and support compliance objective. We can log, we can monitor, we can quarantine users and add extra security using custom rules.
Got it. Okay, perfect. Thank you for that one. Is the Analytics Hub included with my database security license?
That's a great question. Yes, it is. As part of your license, you will get Analytics Hub included as well.
Got it. Okay, perfect. Thank you for that one as well. Is the Analytics Hub a separate download?
Yeah, so this would be a separate installer for you.
Got it. Okay, perfect. Thank you for that one as well. Is the Analytics Hub the new version of the old Database Security Insights module?
Sure, I can take that. So yes, this is a rebranded and renamed version of Database Security Insights.
Got it. Okay, perfect. Thank you for that one as well. Are you planning to expand support to other providers of cloud databases?
Thanks, Nick. Great question. So yes, so our plan is to actually expand it to Azure SQL and Cloud SQL as well in future, along with getting the broader coverage of AWS RDS.
Got it. Okay, perfect. Thank you for that one as well. Will the Analytics Hub need a dedicated server like what used to be recommended, for Insights?
Yeah, so it can run on both a dedicated server and the server on which the database security server is installed. Is recommended to have a dedicated server for this, because here we are actually adding a lot of data in terms of alerts and in terms of vulnerability scan data. So recommended to have a dedicated server, but it can work on your existing servers as well.
Got it. Okay, perfect. Thank you for that one as well. Oh, and it looks like, just to clarify one more time, this Analytics Hub, it is available for current customers of DB Security. Is that right?
So it will be available end of November to customers. So this was a preview for the customers. By end of November, they'll be able to download and use Analytics Hub.
Got it. Okay, perfect. Thank you for that one as well. It looks like that's all the questions. Oh, no, I'm sorry. We got one more. Can you share what database does the Analytics Hub use as its backend database?
Sure. So again, great question. So essentially, Analytics Hub is using Elasticsearch. So it's actually storing the alert data and vulnerability data in storage files, which then can be scanned through, and we can actually leverage the Elasticsearch to get uncover the data that is stored in form of alerts.
Got it. Okay, perfect. Thank you for that one as well. All right, perfect. It looks like that's all the questions that we had for today's session. I want to thank everyone for joining today's webinar, and a big thank you to our speakers, Gaurav and Leon. As a reminder, a link to today's recorded presentation will be emailed to all registered attendees. This concludes today's webinar. Stay safe, everybody.